you're planning on getting the kit, which will be available from the 5th, let me show you what's in it. We've got the checker plate stencil, the mixed cogs, the little checker washi tape, the tiny tools, the acrylic stamp longhand. This is the embossing folder. It's called Hyper. It's really cool. It looks great on backgrounds for cards. This is glassine paper. It is what they used to wrap your tools in when you used to go to the hardware store to keep them from rusting. It's like a wax paper, and if you screw it up or emboss it or tear it, it just makes a really nice just textural layer in your scrapbooking and card making. We've got the laser cut, the creative cuts, the magazine, which of course has got all of your ideas in it. So many different layout ideas. Motorbikes, cars, great. The cut apart sheet. There's no watercolour one this month because we have so many other things. A sheet of the cork, a sheet of the burlap, a sheet of the corrugated, a sheet of craft cardstock, a sheet of watercolour cardstock, and finally we have got the 12 by 12 collection pack, so jam-packed full. Our kits are great value. You can say a lot of things about our kits, but great value is probably the #1 thing that people say about our kits. So this kit will be available on the 5th. All the products are now available on the 1st. Support your local store if you can. Australia is going through a lot at the moment with 3 states in lockdown as I film this, and just to really get in there and support those small businesses if you can, including us. So thank you so much for all you do. Till next time. Bye.